Hello and welcome to Lazy Gadgets. Today, just a teaser video for the best steampunk rifle I have ever made. Made for a customer, and he said, yeah, here you go, 5,000, make something cool, and I think it's really the best rifle ever made. Has everything, and just for me, it's more for me, this video is more for me to make sure I never cry about not having pictures or video. So let's check out both sides and then fire the laser, and here we go. He wants lots of lights, so the middle section has a glowing rod inside, looks nice. The tank has it's actually red, I have no idea why it looks orange. And the tiny tube there, that is an orange. The grip holds a panel with his initials in 24 karat gold. The other side is not much different, just a bit different. I like a bit of diversity when it's steampunky stuff. Don't like symmetrical rifles at all. That's why there's another tiny tank there. And some covers for the ball tanks. Sort of a valve. The copper tanks pointing forward are on the other side as well. The thing with the grip is the battery storage next to the main switch. And some cooling thingies on the front, and that's it. And the very front is what I'm going to show you next. And this is the front. Another tank and some pipes, making it a bit beefier. He wanted a heavy rifle, and that's what he gets. Super heavy rifle. Over 20 pounds, I think. Over 10 kilograms. That's so nice. It's my own design, I came up with it just like that. Added piece by piece, I have no idea how or why. As always, just pulled it out of my arm. And now let's fire the laser. Including a spinner, naturally, for $5,000. You get some moving parts. And that's it for today, guys. Coming up in 2018, a steampunk version of the Fallout plasma rifle, made for somebody. And more nerve and more stuff. So yeah, let me know what you want to see. How you like this one in the comments. Leave me a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.